Right, I'm going to show you how to create a page on your website. So first of all, you log in, and then you go here. You see this black line along the top. You go to Content, Add Content, and you're going to choose Page. So click on that. So first of all, you got this page, Create a Page, and you want to first of all choose a language if that's available on your website. Then you give the page a title. So in this instance, I'm going to put test, but it would be something like Creators of Peace or whatever it is. You can ignore the subtitle, that's the bit that shows in green, unless you really want to. Then you probably want a header image to show. So you click in here, header image. This is the image that goes at the very top of the page. And you've got various photos already in the system. And I'm going to use one of those, but if you haven't got the photo there that you want, you could upload it, which I'll show in another video. Anyway, I'm going to use this one, this Tige one. So you click on it and then you click on submit, and then there you are. And if at a later date I want to change it, I could remove it. But now I'm going to the body, and again, I'm going to give it a title, test. This is a test, but that's where you would put all the content you want on the page. If you were doing it copying from a Word document, you would click where you want it to be, and then you would click in this Word box here, and you would copy and paste all the information into there and click OK. I'm not going to do that now. At the moment we haven't got formatting available, but usually you make the title appear in heading 3. So at the moment you have to go into plain text, and here you change this P, which stands for paragraph, into H3. That means heading 3, and then where you want the heading 3 to finish, you put another H3. Then I'm going back into rich text. If I wanted to add a photo, again I could click on it. Let's choose that one. I'm going to submit it, and I choose what side. I think I want this to be medium, but it could be teaser. No, let's make it teaser. Okay, teaser. Don't really want a caption showing. And submit. Now at the moment it's not right, left, or anywhere. I want it to be on the left, so I'm going to just choose left. And if I wanted to change the width, I could here. Let's change it to 200 and click OK. This is a test. Now views, you leave that alone, that's for the technical team to do. But supposing you're working on a news page, you would ask them to add what is called a view that makes any article type of news or event, that kind of dynamic content, appear on that page. But we've been asked to leave it alone, so ignore these bits with this. And the next thing you would come to would be attached media. Supposing you've got a PDF that's relevant to that page. Supposing it was Creators of Peace and you had a fact sheet, you would browse here and you choose either from one that's already in the system, or you could upload it. So supposing let's see if there's anything in COP, for Creators of Peace, and click on search. Yes, so there's a few things there. So you see if any of those are it, but if not, you would upload it. I'm not going to do that. Now the last thing is, with a page, it's quite often a sub menu item of another one. So supposing this was a sub page of Creators of Peace on your website, you want it to provide a menu link. So at the moment the menu link, that's what it would say. It would be test. You can change it here if you want it, but it picks up what the title is. So for instance, if it was Creators of Peace News, I might just put news. Don't need to worry about description, but you could put Creators of Peace News if you wanted. And this is where you choose what the parent item would be. So I would try very hard to find which was the right top menu to put it under. You would choose it, About Us or whatever, and then you would save it. I don't want it to actually do that as this is live. And then you would save it. Save. So here's my page. That's the header up there. Now I can go to edit if I've made a mistake, or I want, maybe I've just created the page and I want to add more information. So I can now go into edit. I can make this test a link to Creators of Peace, which I happen to know the link for. That's on this website. And what else? Supposing I didn't want people to see it yet, I could unpublish it if I wanted. I could click on this and I could untick published. Please ignore these other 2 items. We're not ready for that yet. So it's published. So I'm going to save it. And there you are. This is a test, and I click on that, and that goes to the Creators of Peace. I'm just going to go back again. So that's how you create a page. I hope that makes sense.